Good afternoon. Let's look at page 31, question number 1 on the quiz. So we have the following function, y equals x squared minus 6x plus 14. And if you look at the number 14, that's a 7 times 2. There's nothing that if you take 7 times 2, it'll be a negative 6. So we wouldn't be able to use the intercept form on this particular equation. So instead, we're going to figure out what our axis of symmetry is. Now if you remember, our b value comes from our center, so we're having negative 6 over 2 times, and our a value is 1. So here we are getting 6 divided by 2, which gives us 3. So let's create a table with our x and y. We know our axis of symmetry is 3, and we're going to pick values a little bit above it and a little bit below it. So if I put 3 back through this function, y equals 3 squared minus 6 times 3 plus 14. That's going to give me 9 minus 18 plus 14. Negative 18 plus 14 would be a negative 4. 9 minus 4 would give me 5. Then if I plug a 2 through the function, y equals 2 squared minus 6 times 2 plus 14. So that's going to give me 4 minus 12 plus 14. And 14 minus 12 would give me 2. 2 plus 4 would give me 6. So I know it's going to be 6 there and a 6 there. And then I'm going to plug in the 1. So we're going to get 1 squared minus 6 times 1 plus 14. Now if I take 1 squared, that's 1. Minus 6 plus 14. So 14 minus 6 is 8. 8 plus 1 is 9. So those values there. So now I have enough to be able to graph my equation. And I know that they're all positive. They start with 3, so I'm going to have this quadrant 1. Go over 1, 2, 3, and then up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Have a point there. That's my axis of symmetry. If at 2, I'm up at 6. Or at 7, I'm also at 6. And then 1 gives me a 9, so that was 6, 7, 8, 9. There and a point up there. So now we're going to connect the dots and head them out like that. So, and we're going to label our axis of symmetry right here. Because it asked for the vertex, which was this point, and for the axis of symmetry with our graph. Have a great day. Bye-bye.